Here's your question. This is first the background. The annual Binibining La Paz Viajeros has evolved from a once upon a time small town search for talented and beautiful young maidens into a qualifying stage for international beauty contest. Miss Angel Rose Campo Tambal, a former Binibining La Paz Viajeros, set that stage for you ladies. Now the question. As Binibining La Paz Viajeros hopeful, do you have the caliber of a true beauty queen who can competitively represent La Paz in international beauty pageants? Please qualify your answer. Again, as Binibining La Paz Viajeros hopeful, do you have the caliber of a true beauty queen who can competitively represent La Paz in international beauty pageants? Please qualify your answer. Go.
Thank you, sir. As a Binibining La Paz Viajeros since 2024, I, to truthfully speak, don't have yet the caliber to represent La Paz in international beauty pageants such as Miss Universe Philippines Leyte. Why? Because I'm just 17 years old. I have more to improve, and I have various skills to improve. Not just because I'm representing San Victoria this 2024, is that I'm already ready to represent Leyte and La Paz in international competition. That's why my answer is not yet, but hopefully. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number 2 and crucial.